Is that water or is that egg? I don't know. Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my box from Misfits Market and we're gonna unbox it together. But first, this is not sponsored. I paid for everything in this box. If you wanna give Misfits Market a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that. And if you use that link, you'll save some money. And I'll save some money on my next order. Let's get this box open and oh, I also wanted to say that Misfits now has conventional items in addition to organic items. If you haven't experienced that yet, you have to be super careful. Make sure that what you're ordering is organic and it's marked that way. They do make it pretty clear, but it's still confusing, getting to be a little similar to imperfect foods. What I used to love about Misfits was that all the vegetables, all the produce, it was all organic. I didn't have to pay too much attention to that. Now you do have to pay attention. Keep that in mind if you're placing an order with Misfits. Now, let's get this box open and find out what's inside. I think I ordered only organic for produce, but we'll make sure. We have our ice pack and our ever-present useless piece of cardboard. If you're new, I talk about that useless piece of cardboard in every video, and I have over 100 unboxing videos. Most of those are Misfits. You can watch some of my other videos. There's a link to all of them in the description down below. Okay, so this is a little smushed. This was right on top. This is the Garden of Eden taco kit. Every time I see this, I think of my friend June, who I used to work with before I became a figure skating coach full-time. Actually, she emailed me the other day and I have to email her back. She always used to get the Garden of Eden chips, so I think of June. Hi June, whenever I see this brand. Then we've got the organic chopped salad kit. This is the Asian one, and Colin actually loved this last time we got it, so I got it again. It's good for those nights where I just don't have a lot of time. And then he requested that I get him 2 of the Dave's Killer Classic English muffins. These are organic English muffins. They're really good. He loves them. I got him 2. This is strawberries. Yes. These are organic Nature's Choice strawberries. They look actually really good. I'm excited about these. And we've got some red peppers because I like to make fajita chicken, but not in fajitas. If you do this, I season it like I'm making fajitas. I don't slice up the chicken, I just do a whole breast and then I put cheese on top and I serve it with yellow rice and refried beans. I use these to make it fajita style chicken. Does that make sense? Have you done that? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. We've got some fennel. This is a good looking fennel. Ooh, some nice celery. What did I say last time? Fresh feeling? It's fresh feeling. And then some flat leaf parsley. Yay, we love our flat leaf parsley. Say, don't always have this. Often they have the curly parsley, but I prefer the flat leaf. So we got it. Everything looks very green in my sink right now. I'm gonna show you this. And I'm gonna go over my receipt with you. So stay with me until the end. We'll go over my receipt so that you know what I paid for everything in this box. Now we've got some broccoli. This is a little disappointing in terms of broccoli. We've been getting a lot more than this. I mean, this will work, it's fine. We've just been getting more. Snow peas. These look good. Last time I got the snow peas, they kept a really long time, which was nice. And then we've got some zucchini. These are small, but they're decent looking zucchini. Everything is very green. Wait until you see this. And we have some tender organic leaves. This is the Misfits Market. Well, it says Misfits Market on it, but it's earth greens. And it's a little smushed. It seems to have kept the seal though. Some chicken broth because we've had trouble finding this at BJ's. This is not organic, but it is free range. I know, it's not the same thing. It's not ideal. It was inexpensive. And then some almond milk because I wasn't sure if Colin was going to BJ's. He did go. I wasn't sure, so I got this just in case. Green beans. These are the 1 pound of haricots verts. and some scallions, and I'll use these when I do the fajita chicken. Oh wow, this is the smallest summer squash I've ever seen, and it's very smushed and slimy. Can you see that? Ugh. Ew. All right, this one looks okay though. Okay, now we have some yellow in the sink. Some sweet potatoes. These are, I think, purple sweet potatoes, and they're supposed to be 3. Oh, here's number 3. There we go. They're not great, and this one's a little slimy from the ice pack, but it's okay. Some red onions. These look actually very good. I'm happy with these. The cold pack was sealed this time. We do have some eggs in here. These are the organic free-range Pete and Jerry's eggs. These are the same eggs. Oh no, something is not right in here. There's a cracked egg. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to get it all over everything either. And it looks like the rest of them are okay. Aside from that, there's egg goop on everything. If I tell them, I will get a credit. That one egg really did make a mess. This is used by March 25th. And the rest of the eggs are okay. It was just that one. But that one got over everything else. So I will tell Misfits, and I'm sure I will get a credit for that. And then we've got some yogurt. And these all look okay. Except for, I just hate that they tape them. Like, it's just annoying. But this is the organic probiotic yogurt. I got a lot of them. This is like my lunch. A lot of times, this is my lunch. Here's something else we didn't need, because Colin did go to BJ's. I ordered mozzarella from Misfits because I honestly wasn't sure if Colin was going to BJ's. He did go, and he got that. Misfits is about the same price as BJ's, by the way. If you haven't tried BJ's, but you have a BJ's near you, we actually like it better than Costco. I don't know if that's just us. They have a really good selection of organic stuff there. There's a link in the description down below where you can get a BJ's membership at a discount. So if you want to do that, go in the description and give it a try. Oh, this was supposed to be pepperoni, I thought. Was that me or them? I thought I ordered pepperoni, but that could be me. Is that water or is that egg? I don't know. And some Parmesan cheese. Oh dear. Is that water or is that egg? I don't know. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 ice packs. 4 ice packs in here. Wow, that's unnecessary. 4 in there and 1 over there, so that's 5 ice packs total. Let me get my receipt and we'll go over this. All right, first let me show you what this looks like. It's kind of a mess, but the strawberries were £1 for $5.97. The broccoli was $3.79. The scallions were $1.39. The celery was $2.19. And again, guys, this is all organic. The red bell peppers were 2 for $3.49. The snow peas were 8 ounces for $3.49. The green beans were 1 pound of the French haricot vert green beans, which are amazing. And those were $4.19. The summer squash was 2 for $2.49, but one of them was really small and really smushed. So I'm going to tell Misfits about that. The fennel was $2.99. Asian salad kit was $4.49, and that is also organic. The English muffins, which are organic, those are 2 6-count. So we got 12 English muffins for $9.18. The onions were 2 for $2.59. The organic greens mix, that was $3.29. That's a good deal. The flat leaf parsley was $1.29. The eggs were $2.99, but one of them was broken and it got all over all the rest of them, so I'm going to tell Misfits about that. The mozzarella was $5.49, and that is for, it's a pound of mozzarella. The yogurt was 5 2-count, so that's 10 altogether. And that was $19.95 for 10 yogurts. I feel like that's good. Maybe I did order salami. I thought I ordered pepperoni. My bad. That was $3.49. The Parmesan cheese, which I also didn't need because Colin did go to BJ's, was $3.49. The almond milk was $1.49. That's a really good deal. The Garden of Eden taco kit, that was $2.99. The chicken broth was $1.99. That's a good deal. The sweet potatoes were $3 for $2.49, but they are pretty small. So my total was $97.31. Shipping was $4.50. But I had $70 in credit thanks to some of you using my code with that link in the description down below. I saved and you saved. Thank you for that. My grand total was $31.81. Misfits says that's a savings of $36.04. What do you think? Is that big of a savings? Have you tried Misfits, and what has your experience been? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider sharing it with somebody else that you think might want to save some money on their groceries. And just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week that can help you with your nutrition, your fitness, shopping on a budget, and living a better life. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Aimée. Happy organic eating. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.